Let's repair some MacBooks, shall we? All right, so what we have here is two MacBook Pro 2011 models. I bought these both on Facebook Marketplace about 2 months ago, roughly. For one, I paid $35. For the other, I paid $65. They're both in pretty poor condition. This one, notably, has a giant dent here. Still has the foot pads intact. It is kind of dirty. You can even see this huge dent right there. But trackpad works, keyboard works, though it is an international keyboard, which is actually pretty interesting to me. The hinge is not too bad. But all in all, this should be good. I'm going to go ahead and take that guy apart. Then we have MacBook Pro number 2. This one needs some work. As you see, nothing's holding this together. So we're missing screws. To be honest, this already went through a bit of a cleaning before I'm even showing it to you guys. As you can see, it's still dirty overall, but we'll still clean it up a little bit. Go through a little more thorough cleaning, which is the purpose of this video. But all in all, for $35, we have a decent trackpad. All the keys seem to click. And the screen is actually in half decent condition. And the hinge isn't bad either. A little dent here, a little scuffing on both. But what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these guys apart. We're going to go ahead and use our friend here, 91% isopropyl alcohol. That's a container for it. And we're going to use this little kitty toothbrush to go ahead and clean this guy up. So be prepared. We're going to have a lot of time lapses for this. Oh, and of course, for this one, we're going to need the screwdriver. I got my handy iFixit kit. So let's go ahead and take care of this, guys. You'll be here and probably also here too. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I did get the MacBook Pro loaded. I know we had two, but I did at least get one of them overall. And with this, I should be listing this up on Facebook Marketplace very soon. Hopefully it will sell. But in the meantime, my name is Craig with Squappy's Videos. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye everyone.